Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is MD168. For today's video guys is the CVR Car Shows 2026. So welcome and enjoy the little show. So here's some of the displays, and there's more cars on the other end, but I'm not going there because I am going on the other side. So just enjoy what you can see right here. Wow, look at this. Happy 100th. Oh, this is 100th birthday, this car.
Well, I mean, that guy made a lot of money.
Wow, it's a chilly day. 43. Look, they have some trailer house, food cart. Look. Rescue. Oi. I only have to do like one side hand, right?
You might be able to come out and look at it again when we're done. But
Marcia.
most of them be gone. Good morning. Can you get to yours by yourself? I need a sheet of that paper sheet.
Oh my God, my hair. My God, my hair. Oh, guys. So this is the end of my car shows that I can show to you. There are more on the other side of the street, but I will be missing most of it because right now I am heading to the open house to volunteer to welcome the guests, whoever comes to see the new houses here at the CVR model houses. And I'm just showing you the highlights of the cars I've seen. I hope you enjoy, and I'm bringing you now to the beautiful house, and it's very nice. So here I am. Hi guys, this is John Lynn. Welcome to the open house here at the CVR. Wow, I love that. This is the model house here. Welcome to the open house here at the CVR. This is the den, or you can make it a bedroom. They have a door here too. You can close it. Okay, there. Let's go bring you to the bedroom. This is your laundry room. You have to provide your washing and dryer. This is the extra bathroom for the guests. If we have some guests, it's nice. I would like to walk in, but this is the bedroom, queen bedroom. Nice. And is the closet. This is the main door. This is gonna be your garage. That's the garage. And that's your little garage. This is how it looks. These are your neighbors. These are your neighbors. Gonna be your neighbors. Big air conditioner. And then this is locked. So very nice. I love this color. White, dark gray. Gray. Yes, I love it. Welcome. And then I'll bring you here. There's another exit. This one is the exit. It's gonna be the look of your house. This is it, guys. Beautiful. You can come here and easy in, easy out.